Welcome to another Simple Dad Instagram tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to create the 2022 season comes to an end video trend on Instagram using the template. If you're new here, then please subscribe to see more videos like this and don't forget to like this video. So as you can see, there are a lot of variations of this kind of videos with different sound and different transitions. So let me show you how to do this video trend on Instagram. So first you want to open up your Instagram app. Next you want to tap on search at the bottom, then tap on the search. And here you're typing in 2022 season comes to an end. So what you're looking for in this screen is a Reels which is doing the trend. So as you can see, this is a Reel which is doing the trend. So as you tap on it, if you scroll up, you'll see other videos which are doing the same video trend. Now on these videos, what you're looking for is this Use Template button, which will appear just above the username. So once you see it, go ahead and tap on it. Now this will open up the template window for Instagram. Once you're happy with it, go ahead and tap on Add Media. Now allow Instagram to access your photos on your phone. So go ahead and tap on Allow Access. Now tap on Continue. Now here you want to go ahead and select the photos which you want to appear on your video trend. Now once you've selected enough photos, it'll gray out and then tap on the right arrow. This will now create your reel using the video trend. Now once you're happy, tap on Next at the bottom right. So in this reel, the sound is included as well. However, I have muted due to copyright reasons. So go ahead and preview the video, and once you're happy, go ahead and tap on Next and then post your reel to Instagram. So that is how to create the 2022 season comes to an end video trend on Instagram using a template. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.